Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today's focus is on Thrivecart versus GrooveSell. And by the time we get to the end of this video, you're going to see exactly what each one looks like inside, as well as the current lifetime offers. So as you see here on the screen, this is my Thrivecart account. And you can see here that I am a Thrivecart user, both as a vendor and an affiliate. Of course, when you first log into Thrivecart, you get the option to log in as a vendor. Then once you log in as either a vendor or an affiliate, you can switch your account. So from the first login pane, what you have is your ability to go into your account as an owner or your account as an affiliate. We'll take a look at both so you can see how it works. But before we do that, let's jump to the current one-time offers that both Thrivecart and GrooveSell have. Of course, this is June 2nd, 2020 when I'm shooting this video. So if you're watching this video at a later date, I can't guarantee that either one of these offers is still on the table, but I want to show you exactly what's happening right now before we go and look inside of each one so you have a clear idea of exactly what it is you'll be getting into when you make your purchase. So right now, when you get your GrooveFunnels account, your free GrooveFunnels account, using the link in the description, you can pop over there and you can log into your GrooveFunnels account and you get GroovePages and GrooveSell for free. But the key that you need to focus on right here to get the current pricing, the current one-time offer that is available, again, June 2nd, 2020, when you hit this upgrade button, it's going to take you over to a limited time offer to get lifetime access for one low price for a platinum lifetime access option. And if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see everything you're getting. But we're only focus here on GrooveSell. If you were to upgrade to the silver and gold plans, of course, the base GrooveSell, Groove Affiliate, and GroovePages Lite accounts are free. But if you want to upgrade, you're going to be paying $99 and $199 soon. But when you keep scrolling down currently, you can get lifetime access to GrooveSell and all the other GrooveFunnel apps that you see here. Of course, go ahead, do your due diligence and read through that. But you can see the current payment options. If you make a one-time payment, you can get it for $1,397 for a lifetime access. So again, that's not just GrooveSell, that's all the Groove apps under GrooveFunnels. So that's the current offer for GrooveSell and all the current GrooveFunnel apps. Again, inside your free account, of course, the link is in the description to grab that free account for GroovePages and GrooveSell. You click that upgrade button, you'll be able to check out those options. So what is currently the option for Thrivecart? Well, if you go over to Thrivecart.com, what you'll see is the world's easiest and most powerful cart platform, and it's coming soon. But what you can do is you can use the link in the description if you want to check out the current one-time offer for Thrivecart. And then what you'll do is you'll land on this page, and this page is going to give you a special lifetime access license for the current price, again, as of me shooting this video. So this may not be available by the time you see this video. Of course, this is June 2nd, 2020. You see all the options here available inside of Thrivecart, everything that it connects to, and the current lifetime access price is only $495. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's take a look inside of GrooveSell, and then we'll go back and look into Thrivecart. So once you get inside your free account or you make a purchase for your one-time lifetime account, you'll have access to GroovePages, GrooveSell, and Groove Affiliate here. We're focused on GrooveSell and Groove Affiliate. If you remember the way that we saw it in Thrivecart, we saw the fact that inside of your Thrivecart account, you can go into your owner account, which is your products, or you can go into your affiliate account. This is the same concept where you have GrooveSell and Groove Affiliate, two separate dashboards, one to be an affiliate for any of the products that are inside of GrooveSell that someone else has set up, or if you click on GrooveSell, that takes you into your vendor dashboard where you can easily click here on funnels and set up your own product funnels and build out your own products. Of course, I have a demo product here. I did a video, there'll be a link in the description. You can go ahead and check that out where I set up GrooveSell and use it with Stripe. You can see that here. But that gives you the ability to manage your products. And you can see here, you can see all the stats, sales, refunds, revenue, commissions, the date that it was added, and then you have the ability to go in and edit those products. And just real quickly, I'm just going to walk through these and talk about each one, of course, because I made a complete video showing you exactly how to use GrooveSell and set it up with Stripe. But you set up your info for a front-end product or an upsell, downsell if you want a complete funnel. You go ahead and set your pricing for one-time recurring installments. Then you set up your gateways. You can use PayPal. You can set up your credit card gateway. Of course, this account is a Stripe account. You can use GrooveSell for payments. That's coming soon. They have a PayPal risk mitigation section. Here you can apply for a merchant account. That's connecting your GroovePay account to your GrooveSell account. And here's where you set up your gateways. And here are the current gateways: Stripe, Authorized.net, and PayPal standard accounts. Here's where you set up your content. Of course, your content is going to be your sales page, your thank you page, and your refund period. Then you're going to move on to checkout. This is where you'll build your checkout form. I'll show you that here towards the end of the video. You'll be able to see the form that's hosted by GrooveSell, and we'll take a look at that. Order bumps. Currently, GrooveSell doesn't have order bumps. It's coming soon. Here's where you build out your funnel. Again, all this was explained in the video. Links in the description to check out the full tutorial on setting up GrooveSell with Stripe. Then you have your fulfillment. This is where you can set up integrations with different email service providers as well as webhooks. Affiliates is where you either turn off or turn on your affiliate program, and you set up your affiliate commission structure and all your affiliate information. The next step is adding proof. That's coming soon. Then you move on to finish. And then what that does is give you a tracking code that you can use to integrate GrooveSell into GroovePages, so you get a full suite of statistics when people move through your funnel, so you know what happened at each stage and each phase of your funnel to see where the conversions are happening or where you need to work on them. So then when you exit out of that, you go back to your product. Then of course, when you go down here, you can look at your reporting. You can see your successful transactions, your failed rebill transactions, as well as a report right here that shows you your total sales, rebills, commissions, refunds, revenues. And of course, if you change this date, for example, all time, you'll see some statistics on here from a test sale that I did recently. So you can see right there that that gives you the information in a nice graphical format. Click on affiliates. It's going to give you some information about your affiliates. Click on customers. That'll be coming soon. Leads will be coming soon, as well as your ability to work with cart abandons. So that's GrooveSell creating your own product in a nutshell, walking through the funnel, setting up the pages, as well as integrating it with GroovePages to do the tracking. So if you see this toggle right here, if you see my mouse, you can see it says vendor. Then when I scroll over it, it says affiliate. So then when you hover over it, it says affiliate. When you click on that, you're going to see that it switches to your affiliate dashboard. And what that does is it shows you inside of the marketplace and the current promos that you're approved for that you have the ability to promote. So this would be other people's products. So for example, you would click on promos, and inside your free account, just like this one, you're going to have GrooveFunnels, and you're going to have the ability to promote GrooveFunnels with your free account inside of GrooveSell, inside the Groove affiliate dashboard. You're going to click on the little link there. It's going to bring up all your affiliate links to link to GrooveFunnels and GrooveSell, your JV broker links, which is your second tier affiliate link, as well as the promo tools, which is going to show you all the promotional tools that GrooveFunnels has set up for you to use to promote GrooveFunnels. So inside of GrooveSell, when you set up your own products, you can set up this same information for your affiliates. So this is the kind of information you can create: your links, your swipes, blog reviews, thank you pages, thank you ads, and you have the ability to share that information right here inside of the affiliate dashboard with your affiliates once you create your own product. There's also a reporting tab here for affiliate transactions. So you'll be able to see your customer, products, price points, all that good information, filter out information as needed, as well as export that information. So now let's jump over to Thrivecart. And again, when you first log into Thrivecart, you have the ability to go in as an owner or as an affiliate. We'll go ahead and go into the owner account, just like we did with GrooveSell, and look at the products that we can create and how the funnels are built out. So when you start with Thrivecart owner, it goes right into their dashboard here, and you can see things like recurring. You can see all your current products. You also see some statistics down here that you're able to add and remove from this dashboard. But then you move on to your own products right here at the menu at the top. Then you have the ability to create your own product. You have the ability to add upsells, downsells, A/B tests, as well as coupons. I didn't show this inside of GrooveSell. I should have, but this feature is currently not available inside of GrooveSell. Again, June 2nd, 2020. So you do have coupon options inside of Thrivecart for your own products. Here you'll be able to look at transactions. This shows you a nice little transactional dashboard, as well as customer information here and the amount that you sold it for, and as well as the payment gateway. You can manage that and refund right here from inside that dashboard. Then there's a subscriptions pane. You can see all your subscriptions if you're running subscriptions. You have your affiliates dashboard where you set up all your information for your affiliates. You can look at all your affiliates inside of here. You can look at your affiliate payments. You can look at the product options for the affiliates, as well as set up rules, and this allows you to integrate into things like your autoresponder to tag your affiliates when you add them to your autoresponder, so you can keep track of the ones, for example, that are promoting certain products. Then there is a JV partner section. This is for actual partners where you do a joint venture and you want to make sure that you have a contract that lays out the exact rules for payouts, whether it be 50-50, 70-30, all the ins and outs. You can create JV partner contracts right here inside of Thrivecart, set up those agreements, handle all the payouts. That way there's no doubt when you first start a true joint venture that everything is set up and clear and agreed upon. Of course, when you're inside of Thrivecart to switch, you just go here and select switch account. And again, this is your owner account. If you want to go into your affiliate account, you simply click on go to affiliate account. At this point, you're going to see your affiliate dashboard, all the clicks and the commissions that you're currently making from Thrivecart. You're going to be able to go into products and see which products you're an affiliate for. You can see some products here that I'm currently affiliate for. Majority of these products are either not for sale currently, or I promote them in other marketplaces. That's why you don't see much happening in my affiliate account. Then of course here you have the commission history, so you can see all the activity that happened inside of your Thrivecart affiliate account, and then you can monitor that and you can see exactly what's going on with those payouts, the products, and the amounts, as well as the gateways, and whether or not those commissions were paid to you or not. So that was a quick look inside of GrooveSell, Groove Affiliate, Thrivecart, both as a Thrivecart owner, as an affiliate. Now let's take a look at exactly what they look like in action. So this is a Groove page right here. Again, you can see this and the way it works and the way I set it up in the complete video. The link is in the description. Check out those videos to see how I set GroovePages and GrooveSells up utilizing Stripe. But this is a button, and simply you click this button. It's connected to GrooveSell. Once you click that button, it'll open up a GrooveSell payment page, which is the checkout form right here that's hosted on GrooveSell.com. And you just simply fill out that information, and that is connected to Stripe. Here's another page I did on GroovePages. As you can see here, this is a GrooveSell form that's embedded. It's the exact same thing. It's just embedded in your site versus hosted on the GrooveSell page. So then people don't have to leave your page to actually make the purchase. This is an example of me using Thrivecart. This is actually a page that is created on GroovePages. And what I've done is I've linked this button right here to Thrivecart. So when someone clicks on this to join the puzzle word list today, it will open up a checkout page that is hosted on Thrivecart. And as you can see, it's the exact same look and feel. It's just powered by Thrivecart versus powered by GrooveSell. And of course, on the back end, this is connected to the exact same payment gateway. I'm utilizing Stripe for both of these. So there you go, a quick look inside of GrooveFunnels and GrooveSell and Groove Affiliate, as well as a look inside of Thrivecart and the Thrivecart owner account and the affiliate account. So now you have everything you need to know to make an educated decision. Do what's best for you and your business, what makes sense. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.